Ayush, what are the top 3 reasons you would choose for wanting to keep rabbits over other
1.
pets?
They are quiet. 2. They are cute. 3. They don't bug you.
Define bug you.
3. They kill bugs.
Seriously, they don't actually. Or do they? I don't know.
No, one of our rabbits killed a bug by biting.
Seriously? I had no idea about that. But this is so sweet, and they're so affectionate and so silent
Just
and
now,
sweet.
this guy was licking me in there.
Really licking you where? There in that room?
Yeah.
When you were in the drawing room. But this is so adorable. I can just. And you named it Mikey.
Now
Yeah, Mikey / Fluffy, and this is Sweetie /
Stop it with the fluffies.
Okay, and this is Angela. So this is adorable, and
He's standing. He's standing.
and we can watch it all day. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.